and that's how it goes on and on.
And today I think the role of technology in films also is evolving, and the use of technology is increasing by increasing day by day, right? So, what do you see is the role of AI in filmmaking, and how are you already using it or thinking of using it?
As someone very famously said, I want AI to wash my dishes and my clothes so that I can do my writing work, and not do my writing work so that I can just have to wash dishes and clothes. So, AI is, I feel, not an enemy. AI is also not going to stand like a watchman on the door that will not let people enter. That, oh, you know AI, only then can you enter this business or this house. वैसा भी नहीं होगा. I feel that AI can be a friend, and it's just it's a next level. We don't know, maybe it will, and in time we will know. But the human race is far too resilient, I think. I feel that understood individually by people, and you should see how you can use it in your own work. As far as in films is concerned, as far as films are concerned, AI can be used not as a writer, not as a conceptualizer, because it's. I mean, of course, AI can only do something which has already been done. It's a repeat-oriented intelligence. So creativity is not something that we should try to borrow from AI, but what we can do with AI is other things like replicating video effects and making them cheaper. Things that have costed technically, traditionally a lot can be reduced, and things like that. Technologically, we can use AI very well.
The audience, I want to do a quick rapid fire with you, right? So, one character from your films that you love to meet in real life.
Tara.
And why?
Tara Maheshwari is from Calcutta. Her father owns a tea estate. I feel if I meet her, and tea estate is in Darjeeling, the tea that I going through a lot of crisis, and if there is anybody here who can help, please do.
If not in films, what would you be doing?
Because I used to love basketball immensely, much more than theatre for in my school, and my coach didn't understand why I was crying, and I was in a lift with her, and she had just fought with somebody who had said to her that Rockstar is not a good film, and she was coming down a lift, I was coming in, she was stepping out, she came back into the lift and crying, but that was to express her anger and disgust over.
Days at shoot, what's your go-to comfort food? Since you spoke about food and Calcutta right in the beginning.
Well, my comfort food is I'm a very non-vegetarian person, unfortunately, and so I like mutton and rice.
An actor you'd love to cast but haven't yet.
Dilip Kumar.
Alia, Kareena, Deepika, Anushka, your favorite lead female actor.
Oh, this is not something I'm going to reply to. Every time I have replied to this, it's been not so good for me. All of them are great. I'll give a very political answer.
We'll cut this out. Nobody will know beyond the four walls of this auditorium.
No, they're all. Actually, I will cast according to what the requirement of the script is. Like for instance, imagine if I had cast, let's say, Kareena in Highway, or Deepika in Jab We Met. It wouldn't work.
Finish the sentence. Imtiaz Ali is the happiest when?
On set.
And we've discussed this earlier as well, is many of the protagonists are searching for something, whether it's a connection, whether it's meaning. So what is Imtiaz Ali searching for?
I guess the same thing that the character is searching for. You know, as a filmmaker, you can live vicariously through your characters. Things that you don't dare do in your life, you can make your characters.
Take answers to the rapid fire. And now I'd like to open it up to the audience. Can we get one question from there?
Well, didn't run that well, but we got Hawaii. I mean, that's a cult song. And perhaps you have given the selling movie of yours, but I think creative, the operatic style, that Bhangra song background, the story goes on, all that, where do
I
you
feel that the Indian audience is very advanced and more advanced than all Indian filmmakers. What I should have had is the capacity to say all those things, do all those things, but maybe a bit more simply. To make it simple is very difficult, and I think that if I had it in me to make it more simple, it would have been better. But there's always a next time.